Are you all connected now? Can everybody? Yes. Is it comfortable? Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Good. Yes, everybody. Yes. Let me just connect with it. Reason I am planning to go live through YouTube. Reason because the lecture could be recorded and could be sent. Doesn't have the space to record all the lectures, so I thought about why not. Let's go this way. Okay. Yes. All. We have so many students. All need to be connected. Can we? Everybody. Do one thing, friends. Next time everybody should not. We can make YouTube as a private. For that aspects, I have to send you. You send me your email ID so that next time if I'm going YouTube, we will send it as a private. Okay, I'll add your email ID and then send it. That would be more effective because in this way everybody would be connected. So we don't want everybody to connect. So next time what we could do is we will make it as a private. For that I need your email ID. So not this time, next time we'll make sure ki we try to. Achha, by the way, there are only 7 students with us right now. Everybody is not familiar with, or maybe yes. Slowly everybody is getting connected. Done. Okay, maybe everybody is not familiar with this whole thing. The reason for going YouTube live is I have planned out this will provide you the entire backup data. Whatever is taught, you will have the whole backup data in terms of entirely recorded and being. Okay? Can we proceed ahead, friend? All of you, if you're comfortable, can we proceed, everybody? Yes. Let's start with. So the first thing comes, friend. Yes. Slowly, gradually, people are connecting. Understand what chapters we have for the coming final. See, two things to be covered up, friend. A long time we are coming, through online mode. Now see, since 12th standard board exam has started, so mostly the lectures would be online. Try connecting online only, because I think since this entire month we have science, arts, commerce, all 12th standard board exams, so maybe they might not be able to call us. Okay, so now what is to be done in this case, friend? The very simple. Understand, since the dates are given, 11th standard dates are being already announced, and from 11th is what we have our exams. And I know, out of all the subjects that you have, like economics, OCM, SP, account is bit logical and bit lengthy. So first thing, let me tell you, I would be trying to cover up 11th standard, those chapter which are your base and it is part of your 12th standard. But we would be trying to cover up those chapter which are part of your basics, and along with it would be your base for 11th, and at the same time it is connected with 12th standard. अब आगे चलते हैं बच्चों, देखो अभी तक क्या क्या चैप्टर्स हम लोग ने कवर अप किए. So what are the chapters that we have covered up with us? So following with the chapters that we covered up, first, the very first chapter that we had was basics of account. Friend, if you understand what account is simply recording the transaction in the business. Friend, जो कोई भी बिजनेसेस आपके आजू बाजू है, उस बिजनेस के ट्रांजैक्शन को बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में लिखना, इसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, अकाउंटिंग. सो इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर यू हैड इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स रिलेटेड टू अकाउंटिंग. असेट्स क्या है, लाइबिलिटी क्या है, ड्राइंग क्या है. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट चैप्टर. Second chapter, if you see, friend, basically second chapter was devoted to explain you. Basically, second chapter was devoted to explain you golden rules of account, how we would be doing accounting, or what are the basic rules of accounting. So basically अगर देखा जाए, accounting करने के लिए हम लोग को transactions को दो aspects में divide करने पड़ेंगे. In order to understand accounting, we have to divide the transaction in two aspects. One, basically there's a golden rules and there's a modern rules. तो गोल्डन रूल्स में बच्चों है क्या कि ट्रांजेक्शन को तीन अकाउंट्स में डिवाइड करो. एक पर्सनल अकाउंट, एक रियल अकाउंट, एंड द थर्ड दैट वी हैव इज कॉल्ड एज नॉमिनल अकाउंट. आर यू गेटिंग दिस, एवरीबॉडी? आर यू श्योर? We have personal. Yes. Okay. Hello. Yes. Are you sure everybody is getting? Wanted to ask, friend, are you comfortable with this methods where I would be teaching and recording you, or you want me a method where it is like only Google Meet? But problem is we can't record entire YouTube, Google Meet ka video and give it. Whereas here I can provide you the whole video. What way you are comfortable with, friend? What is more logical? Yes, just could you please let me know? Yes, Deepak. Yes. See, we don't have either YouTube Live is more comfortable, or you want me. Nisha says both is comfortable. Either of it, it is the same way, right? Both of it. Yes, I know Shati says as it is convenient. Okay. So let's move ahead in case you are comfortable with. Let's move ahead further, friend. If you see this, we had chapter 1 basics, chapter number 2 was about golden rules of account. In order to do that, you can also go with Zoom, sir. It has recording option. Arnav Shetty says we can go with the Zoom. Yes, let me try out, friend. Maybe we could try out next time with the Zoom. Either of it. Right now, I don't have YouTube is I'm connected. Google Meet is I'm comfortable with. Just I tried out, this was the first experimental lecture. Uh, what is the objective of this? Ki at least if we try to go YouTube live, is it possible? Because what we would be doing, friends, along with the 11th standard, next coming month, we would even start out CA foundation batches. But for CA foundation batch, we will be planning out to go YouTube live. Okay, all whether maths, account, economics, these subjects, we would be going with YouTube live so that maximum number of people can connect. So I realize either of the way we both are comfortable with both of it. Are we? Because interaction is done, recorded content is being present to us, and along with it, it has also a recording option. That is more logical. Only since we are into public platform, we have to make sure it is privately being done, right? Hello. So yes, done experimentally. We are comfortable with. Just short to 50. Okay, just 1 second, friend. Okay, I just wanted to experiment, friend, here, but Zoom has 40 minute free, then we have to pay, otherwise, class will be disconnected. Okay, that's the problem. YouTube doesn't have as such. I took a 12 standard entire revision. I realized we could take 2 hours, 3 hours. YouTube doesn't have such issues, right? No problem with the YouTube, no friends. Okay, yes, no friends. Okay, done. No issue, friend. Do one thing. Uh, Today we experimented with. I wanted to experiment. 10 minutes we took it. We understood that we can go with YouTube Live. So what I'll do is CA Foundation. We would be going with YouTube Live henceforward here. And 11th we would be back with Zoom, as somebody saying Zoom has much better beliefs. Okay, let me just check out with it, friend. Just I'm sending you the link. Kindly join with it. We won't be connecting with this right now. Just wanted to experiment. We'll be going with the other app. Okay, can you connect to me? Yes, just 1 second. I'll end the stream.